Welcome to my channel, Home and Garden with Natalia. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit update of what's going on with our pond. So this is actually how it looks. We have like roundabout, well, it's like driving around. And when we bought this place, it was just like bushes, overgrown. It wasn't any road, it was just plain dirt. And now we put a paving road. And now we're trying to create beautiful tropical oasis, if I might say. As you can hear, it's a noise from the waterfall. It's so gorgeous and pretty. There is one of the plants what we bought. It's called lobster claw. It actually does look like lobster claw, right? So pretty. My goodness, look at these colors. Bright. It's connected to this pipe. Actually, all of our new plants might tie to the pipe because it was really delicate and thin and actually bent over like a few times and it's too thin. So that's how we did it. So this is one of our crooked pumps. Might put some bungee cords in it to kind of keep it in place because it was like falling in the water. That's why we have a bungee cord to keep it in place until it's gonna stabilize. There is our other plants, and as you can see, there is 3 more plants which is connected to the tubes that Mike did it to keep it in a place for now until it's gonna stabilize all of them. This plant, another one, lobster claw. It was lobster claw. Look at this, even put flower already. So it looks like it's dying. It's really bad, but we have a new shoots on the bottom. So I just hope it's gonna come up in new growth and stronger than ever. This plant, which is already unflowered, it's called ginger. It's supposed to be really nice. And I don't know if you can see, probably. Oh. Wow, it's so windy. Look at the beautiful flowers. We have 2 of those. And this bucket, the blue bucket, Mike bought it. I don't know what he's gonna do with it. And there is another pond. It's still, like leaves still tied up. They told us, the people who sold it, they told us not to get released like for 6 weeks. And we have all this water kind of dripping on it. Well, a little bit dripping. And there is a waterfall in the daytime. Of course, when it's all gonna be done, you are not gonna be able to see all this cords and tubes. There's some kind of foam right now on it. I don't know why. And what else is new? Let me show you. We put some plants. It's in an ant right there. The lilies. Hopefully they're gonna grow, bloom soon. They used to stay in our big pond, but those right there, those little fishes was eating the leaves constantly. So that's why we moved it. I mean, we did plan it before to move it, of course, right here. And I hope when it's all gonna be done, you're not gonna be able to see very much, you know, because we're gonna put some stones on the bottom and fish. So that's how it looks in the daytime. I just love these ponds. We did it on purpose, but they're not perfect because I love imperfection. Of course, I like when it's perfect, but imperfection is perfect. If it makes any sense. It's still a lot of work need to be done, but it will be. More plants coming, more stones coming, fish, of course. All this garbage gonna go away, right? So I just hope it's gonna be so beautiful. Of course, we're gonna have a sitting area here that you can come up and drink some tea or coffee in the morning. Yep. I hope you saw how it's looking at nighttime. You can look on my Instagram or YouTube. Please sign to my YouTube channel. We'll keep you updated. This is under my name, Natalia Wilson. It's all about home and garden. Everything, even cooking. Alright guys, until next time. Have a good evening. Bye.